Lastly, I want to go over one more smart home product. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know that I just moved into my new house last year and I've been trying to make it a smart home with smart lights, the smart door locks that I just talked about, with the smart camera, and then the Apple TV acting as my smart home hub. And I was thinking that it's just a smart thermostat that I need next. But you see, in my living room, as you can see, I have a ton of windows, which makes it a hassle to open and close them every single time. And when they're open, it's nearly impossible to watch something due to how much glare shows up on my TV. More importantly, I wanted something that could seamlessly integrate into my existing smart home ecosystem without needing extra hubs or additional devices. And that's when I realized what I actually needed: a smarter solution, not just a more convenient one. So say hello to Yoolax motorized Matter roller shades. These are their flagship smart Matter blinds powered by Matter over Thread that allows them to work seamlessly with different smart platforms. With a minimalist design, they offer smooth operation and customizable light control available in light filtering and blackout options. And the one that you see here is their blackout version. If you, like me, are looking for a more seamless smart home ecosystem and wish to explore a higher level of smart experience, then choose these Matter roller blinds. In my living room and dining room area, I have a ton of windows and I hate having to close or open my blinds manually each and every day. But with these Matter roller shades from Yoolax, I can use your control that comes with it to adjust right away. And what's cool is that I can even choose which blinds I want open or closed. And it's all done within a click. But the smart part comes with the fact that I can customize these shades to match my routine, as I have created a schedule for when I want to have them open daily. Like for example, when I wake up in the morning and I'm going downstairs, I like the fact that around that time, they just completely open. And they close in the evenings for optimal privacy. I can even go completely hands-free and just tell Siri to open these blinds, as these blinds work with Apple HomeKit. Hey Siri, close blinds. So if you're interested in getting these Yoolax Matter roller shades, you can use the code in the description below to get an even bigger discount.